That curve is definitely insane. Flutter has become super viral in 2019.
Yo people, how's it going? Welcome back to another video with the Coder Monk, and I'm going to be talking to you guys today about the one single reason why Flutter became super viral in 2019. If you're ready, let's get this thing started right away. Alright, so everybody who's watching this video, if you're new to this channel, I would actually very much let you guys to go smash the subscribe button, which is down below this video. Why am I telling you guys this? I'm be posting Flutter content for a very long time, and the primary reason why my videos have been started getting good amount of views and people have started posting comments is mainly because there's one reason why Flutter got viral as well. So I'm going to be correlating both of them. So in case you like what I'm talking about, definitely check the entire video out, but at the same time smash the subscribe button so that I can make more such videos. Okay, what is the primary reason why Flutter got viral? The first thing that I found out was that Flutter was not it's not a very new programming language. It was released way back in May of 2018. We're currently right now the end of 2019. So way back in the May of 2018 in the Google 2018 conference, they came out with this topic of saying that we have built a reactive programming language and it's going to be called as Flutter. It's going to be based on the Dart programming language. But Flutter as a programming language started picking up, getting good amount of traction only around the December of 2018. Flutter as a concept is amazing. They hooked you guys right into the concept, saying that you have one programming language, you can build for mobile, you can build for web, you can build for desktop, and that is an amazing concept to hook anybody into the programming language sphere itself. If you think about front end, that is a programming language that you have to know definitely to achieve that front end. Definitely similarly for your back end, for your database services, and all of these different things, Flutter team itself told that do not worry about any of that. We're going to be having every architecture that is possible with just one programming language, and that was definitely a major hook that was actually going to be the reason why Flutter became super viral in 2019. With respect to Google I/O conferences, again 2018 was a little bit of an eye-opener for a lot of people, but again there are a lot of naysayers who are telling that Dart is not even a good programming language. I made a previous video back around 3-4 months ago when I told you guys that why does Flutter community being hated so much by other programming languages. So that video did get super viral back then. People started asking me a lot of questions back then as well, but the primary reason was that people still do not believe that much in terms of Dart as a programming language. Turn back to May 2019 and the Google I/O 2019 conference, Flutter was actually already becoming a very good popular name among a lot of programmers, and with 2019 conference they came out with a bang. They said that we were actually pushing every schedule that we had so far into the 2019 sphere itself. That's when they talked about the Flutter Hummingbird project, which was actually building one code for both your mobile application and your web application. And that's when that graph that I showed you guys in start just peaked right away. I'm just seeing my graph right here, and around the same time, around June, there's one super important blip that is happening, which is actually this sudden curve to the top, and that's actually when Google actually told about the Hummingbird project with the Flutter everywhere, and that's the main reason why Flutter did get super viral around that time. An amazing thing that Flutter team did was that the Google's Flutter team did was that they built this super cool communities in social medias like your Reddit. There is a super cool community in YouTube as well, and they have very supportive community in Stack Overflow. All of these are very positive signs that did definitely help when who are starting with Flutter. Personally, when I started with Flutter, I made a video again on that, when how do you start programming with Flutter. It's actually a 1-hour basics course that definitely should take if you are beginning to start programming with Flutter. And if you have taken that video or if you've seen this video, do not forget to let me know in the comment section below so that I can make sure that I can make a part 2 video of that, and maybe it might be very helpful for you guys as well. So do not forget to put that in the comment section. If you have watched that video, just type I have watched your 1-hour basics course, and that will be very encouraging for me as well to go forward. So coming back to the topic, so what I was talking was that building a community with Flutter as a team, they did build a very strong community. Subreddits you go to, they are very helpful, even though they may be a little bit braggy about things. They're very helpful. Again, Stack Overflow, again super cool people answering a lot of questions. And YouTube has been the positive thing so far for Flutter. They've just done super good YouTube channel, people talking there, almost regular content coming in from every week, and that is a very positive sign, right? When the Google itself is investing so much amount of time and money into making sure that their programming language is going to become very popular, that's a very positive sign. So that's what is the reason for the curve going this way, and there is not even one plateau that it's been hit. It's continuously going this way, and that's why Flutter has been a very popular language in 2019. One more thing that I actually felt was when I was actually developing for Flutter in around the March to June timeline, there was something that I always thought about in any programming languages. To brag less, I know around 3 to 4 programming languages. I'm also very good. I think I'm a little bit good around those programming languages as well. So, but whenever I try to learn the programming languages, I feel why not why not a little bit of recognition for learning the programming languages properly. But with respect to that, I found out that Google has their own GDE program, which is nothing but the Google Development Engineer program, wherein they recognize whatever programming languages that you're picking up with Google, and they will be giving you an award for that. Maybe it's a little bit of recognition. They will call you a GDE, they'll put that in their website, and that's a very huge positive sign, right? But with respect to Flutter, there was something different. What Flutter did was they went out and told the people that we're going to be giving out lot of GDEs. So we're going to be recognizing a lot of GDEs, but we would want a lot of equal amount of open source contribution as well. So that was actually a very good sign for people to go and pick this programming language up, because in terms of recognition, Google is ready to give you the recognition if you just go one step ahead and start programming with Flutter, and that's a very, very positive sign. Even though I haven't received my GDE yet, I am not actively trying to become a GDE as well, but it was actually a very positive sign. Flutter GDE, to name yourself a Flutter GDE is a very good thing. Building a community around these GDEs as well, and that is actually the primary reason again for Flutter going this way, and there is not even one straight line happening. It's almost just a diagonal growing from left corner to the right top corner. The most important topic, or the most important point for this topic, is that Flutter, even though they did all of these things put together, they did one thing right. They made the programming language super simple. I know you guys are thinking why he's not put that in the top, because if you guys know that Flutter is a super easy programming language, you would definitely, if you accept with me, you would let me know in the comment section again. Because why would I say that? Because if you have any other thought in terms of Flutter not being being a difficult programming language, you can just let me know in the comment section again. I'm very happy to answer your questions again with that. But Flutter is a super easy programming language. If you think he is not actually considering me as a new programmer, I would say that even for a new programmer, Flutter is a very simple language to learn. I would have covered the topic in my Flutter in 1 hour's basics course as well. So technically I'm promising you guys that you can learn Flutter basics in just 1 hour, even if you don't have any programming knowledge as well. So that's what I'm promising you guys. So if you definitely check that video and you think that programming language with Flutter is very simple, definitely let me know in the comment section again, and I'd be very happy to know how huge of a community you people are, and that's what is keeping this Flutter viral thing going for a very long time. And in terms of channel growth as well, I've seen that everything that I talk Flutter is becoming a super hit among you people. Even though I don't think I know a lot of things with Flutter, but in terms of actually delivering some knowledge around Flutter, it's actually being caught up like wildfire, and that's very important. That's the community that I'm delivering to, and very, very happy for that. So make sure that you definitely check all of my videos on Flutter. I have done close to 80 videos in Flutter programming languages, and close to 25 videos on basics of Flutter again, and all of these are actually going to be free content for you people to delve into and start picking up learning Flutter. In terms of 2020 Flutter, it's going to be again a huge positive curve. Definitely this graph might go and hit a point or a peak point where it might start plateauing, but with respect to how Flutter is going to be keeping on developing applications and platforms for the applications to work on, I think there's no stopping point for this at all. And so definitely you guys have to learn Flutter as a programming language in 2020 as well. I'm going to be making a separate video on what you should do in 2020 starting from January 1. So if you guys are actually waiting for that, definitely go check that out. That is going to be probably coming after this video, so maybe you can put up a reminder or something like that. Don't worry, I'll just release the video for sure. Maybe I'll premiere it. Alright, so that's it from me. I hope this video is informative. If you find this video informative, you know what to do. Smash that like button. Smash that like button. If you do not like this video as well, don't worry. You can double tap this like button. I would actually be very happy to know that you did dislike this video, but it will not get registered in the system. So I think you know what I'm doing. Anyway, just let me meet in the next video. Until then, peace out. Have a super awesome day.